Welcome to Jimmerty. We explain the Oversea Research proposal scheme called Type O. We supports travel expense of young researchers who want to stay in overseas institutes for few weeks to perform research collaborations. Why it is important to have research experiences in abroad. First, international experience is essential for your career. Second, international research execution capability is needed. Third, it is important to be recognized by international community. Finally, you can find a lifelong international partner. Jimmerty supports overseas researches for 30s to foster researchers with visibility in the international research community. Attending international conference is useful, but it is not enough for your future career. In Type O, we support stay for minimum 2 weeks for experiment and discussion. By the longer stay, you can exchange with many researchers. Please note that Type O does not support the conference participation. But you can combine the research visit and conference. The amount of support is 500,000 to 600,000 Japanese yen. What are the points of Jimmerty Type O? It can be approved in 6 weeks and is much faster than other programs. It is flexible to combine with your own fund. It is open to all young researchers of Japan. All researchers below 40 years are eligible. The Type O experience has led to the acquisition of international research grants such as Kakenhi. Here is the example of Type O. Yoshikazu Mizuguchi, Associate Professor of Tokyo Metropolitan University, stayed in Sapienza University of Rome. He conducted photoelectron spectroscopy and made deep discussions. It produces the collaboration papers and leads to the organization of workshop. For other examples, please check our websites. Applicants of Type O are often promoted to new positions. An award is given for the outcomes. How to apply Type O? First, make a research plan with your host collaborators in Overseas Institute. If possible, find a local contact in IMR to help your application. You can also consult with user office for arrangement. Submit Type O proposal and then proceed to the visit. When finished, please submit completion report. Currently, the cost for overseas stay is expensive. It is important to find a reasonable accommodation and ticket. Can I combine with other funds? Yes, Jimmerty is flexible for such combination. Please consult with user office for travel scheme. We do not accept your visit to the institute, nation where you had been before, because program is intended to widen your experience. If you are interested in Jimmerty, please access our application website for more information. Thank you.